To begin, logging into SEDS is quick and easy. Simply enter your assigned username and your password and click Login. However, should you forget your password, you can reset your password right on the logon screen. Simply click the Forgot My Password button. Walk through the steps of what to do when you have forgotten your password. Please note, passwords will expire every 90 days. Your passwords must include a capital letter, a symbol, and a number. At the main menu. On the main menu, you will find the Students tab, My Docs, Schools, School System, the My Info tab, My Reports, and the SEDS resource site. I'm going to start by clicking on the Students tab. You will click on the Students tab to search for a student in the DCPS system. Type in the student's last name or state or local ID number. After you have entered the criteria, click View Students. A list of students meeting that criteria will appear on your screen. Next, you need to select a student. We're going to select the student, Fred Jones. I'm going to start at the left side of this list. Under CP, this is the compliance status for that student. Next, you will see their projected eligibility end date, the eligibility end date. Eligibilities are valid for a 3-year period, and the IEP end date. IEPs are valid for a 1-year period. Next, you will see the school and grade of the student. On the right-hand side, you will see the student ID number, age, and date of birth of the student. You will also see listed the disability of record and current case manager for the student. To view the student's history, simply click on the compliance symbol for that student. The student history page will open, and you are able to see the current eligibility determination and the currently valid IEP. To access one of the documents, simply click the link to the document. After selecting the student's name, you will now be accessing that student's record. You're currently viewing the student parent information screen for the selected student. If you scroll down the page, you will see the student's personal information, school information, notes, and parent or others contact persons for the student. On this screen, you will also find the Documents tab. Click on the Documents tab to view current documents that have been created for the student, such as intake prep, acknowledgement letters, eligibility meeting notices, and the IEP. To open one of these documents, simply click on the link for the document. Use the communications log to document contacts with parents, teachers, and other IEP team members. The communications log is also used to view previous contacts with parents and other IEP team members. Next, we will visit the communications log. Simply click the link for the communications log. This will allow you to add a contact with the parent or other about the student. You may add a contact or add a non-parent contact. As an RSA or DDA representative, you may have a conversation with a teacher or case manager regarding the student. You can type in the name of the teacher, the type of contact, if it was a phone call, the date of the contact, and click Update the Database. You will see the contact listed in the Other Contact section. Under the Post-Secondary Transition Plan, you can see the general student input form that was created for the student, a summary of the student's interest, and goals for transition, which include post-secondary education and training, employment, and independent living. You can click on Manage Goals and Activities to see any goals or activities that have been created for the student. I'm going to click the Back button to take us back to the previous screen. At the bottom of this page, you will see the Create Summary of Performance area. Actual transition policy, please visit Secondary Transition Policy link.